I'm trying to give you the overall steps, and then you will see what are we making the changes, what we do need to do it. Everything, no, you will figure it out. Okay, if you know some Samvatsari Pratikraman Vidhi, okay, you will really enjoy it also. Okay, I have done the Vidhi aspect in this article in Hindi, and explanation aspect is in English. Okay, so just to warn you when you read the articles. First step is like taking the vows of the Samaik, which we all know. This is our tradition. Before you do any Pratikaman rituals, you do in the Samaik vows. You take the Samaik vows and then do all the Pratikaman ritual. This Pratikaman in Samvatsari Pratikaman time, this is the expanded Pratikaman Avashyak, which includes the 6 Avashyaks and Samvatsari Pratikaman rituals, which is like bigger Pratikaman, either is a Pakhi, Chaumasi, or Samvatsari rituals. This section is divided into the following 4 groups. Okay, just a minute and I'll take you. First is the daily Pratikaman part 1 ritual. So initially, after Samaik, what you are doing is do the daily Pratikaman rituals start, that rituals, okay? And these are the list of the following sutras, what we do in that daily Pratikaman rituals, all the way up to Vanditu Sutra have been recited like what we are doing daily Pratikama. Then Acharyas have added the yearly Pratikaman Ritual Sutra, Samvatsari Pratikaman Ritual Sutra, or you can say Pakhi, Chaumasi, or Samvatsari, because the added sutras are same. Only the name change occurs. For every 15 days, when we do like that, this Pratikama, no, we use Pakhi. For Chaturmans, 4 months, we use Chaumasi. And when you do yearly, you use the word Samvatsari instead of Pakhi Chaumasi. All right. In that yearly Pratikaman Sutra, these are the added one in the daily Pratikaman ritual, which is okay. For Samvatsari Pratikaman, it includes Samvatsari Aloena, Samvatsari Atichar, Samvatsari Tap, Michhami Dukkanam to Sakal Sangh, Samvatsari Sutra for monk, and Vanditu Sutra for Shravak, Kausag of 40 Logas, and monks Samvatsari Khamat Khamana. These are the sutras are added in the daily Pratikaman for Samvatsari Pratikaman. Okay. Then you come back to the daily Pratikaman wherever you have left over. Okay, you left over here the daily Pratikaman part 1 ritual. We completed up to Vanditu Sutra, the daily Vanditu Sutras, and you pick it up from here onto the 3rd group, and then you complete the remaining the sutras of the daily Pratikaman, which is the fourth Pratikaman Avashyak complete, then 5th Kausaga Avashyak, and the 6th Pratyakhyana Avashyak. Now, these 3 sections, once he completed, actually Samvatsari Pratikaman is completed. But we don't stop there. Once we completed like major accomplishment, Samvatsari Pratikaman to do and complete it, it's like a yearly your obligation, which you have accomplished it. Then we announce if we have completed the Pratikama. Now to celebrate that announcement, okay, what we do, we recite Stuti, Stavans, okay, and Sajjai. The Stuti and Stavans are Tirthankar prayers. Okay? And the Sajjai is the spirituality, our own improvement. And all these three things are accomplished in the ritual celebration of the completion. This section includes the Stuti Stavan, which is Ajit Santi, which is a big Stavan. Okay. Then Prayaschit for any atichar that occurred during the Pratikraman, Sajjai, which is for spiritual growth, Brihatsanti recitation, and praying of the Tirthankar at the end, which is Chaityavandan. So everything what we do is the celebration of the Samvatsari Pratikraman. And I will tell you when you start this one, each section and subsection tell you what you're doing is these things you are doing for this purpose, these things what you're doing for that purpose. Okay? And once you complete that, then you do the conclusion of Samayik. Okay? Now we